Hello student, now start the topic scalar multiplication of matrix. What is the scalar multiplication? Scalar multiplication means if A is the matrix and K is the scalar quantity, then K is multiply the matrix A. It means K multiply each element of the matrix A. Suppose that the matrix of order 4 by 2 order, 4 row, 2 column, and K is the quantity. K is any quantity, then K multiply the matrix A, it means K multiply for each element of matrix A. It means 4 row, 2 column, each element multiply by the value K. Is clear? Suppose that the value of K is equal to 4 and matrix A in the form of 4 row, 2 column, the element of the matrix A is 3, minus 1, 2, 1, 2, minus 3, 4, 1. Then 4 multiply of the each element of the matrix A, it is the scalar multiplication of the matrix. It is clear? Now we multiply one by one each element of the matrix A. First we 4 multiply the first row, first column element 3, 4 3 is 12. Now we 4 is the multiply the first row, second column minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Now we 4 multiply second row, first column, it is the 2. And the 4 multiply 2, 4 to the 8. Now 4 is the multiply the second row, second column, that is 1, then 4 is multiply 1, answer is 4. Now 4 is multiply the third row, first column, that is 2, then 4 multiply 2, answer is 8. And 4 is multiply the third row, second column is minus 3, then 4 theta minus 12, answer is minus 12. Now 4 multiply the last row. 4 is multiply last row, first column, that is 4. 4 4 is 16, answer is 16. And the 4 is multiply last value, last row, last column is 1, then 4 1 is 4, answer is 4. This is the scalar multiplication. Is clear everyone? Now the property of the scalar multiplication, suppose K multiply A plus B, bracket A plus B. Then K is multiply both the matrix A and B. K multiply A plus K multiply by B. If K plus G is the two scalar quantity multiplied by A, then matrix A multiply each of the scalar quantity, then addition. K plus A, K into A plus G plus G into E. Now the third property is K multiply the multiplication matrix A and B. Then K is multiplied by the matrix A. First multiply A, after then multiply B. And it is also possible K is multiplied first the matrix B, after then multiply matrix A. The last property of the scalar multiplication is K G are two scalar quantity multiplied by A. Then the matrix A first multiply scalar quantity G, after then scalar quantity K. Or K matrix A first we multiply the scalar quantity K, after then the scalar quantity G. It is clear everyone? Now we go some mathematical question of scalar multiplication. Now the first question is, find the value of 5a minus 2b if A equal to 2 by 3 order matrix and the elements are given in the matrix A, and B is another matrix by 2 by 3 order and its element given in the matrix B. Then find the value of 5a minus 2b. Now we solve this type of question, mathematical question. This is the example of the scalar multiplication, student. First we note down, find the value of which type of value, find 5a minus 2b equal to 5. Now note down the matrix A value. minus 2b. Note down the matrix B value. Now first we put the matrix A and matrix B value in the given equation. Now we find the solve by the scalar multiplication method, student. To 5 multiplied by the matrix A, it means 5 multiplied by the each element of matrix A. 2 into 5, 4 into 5, 6 into 5, minus 4 into 5, 8 into 5, minus 4 into 5. Now 2 is the multiplier of matrix B, then the 2 is multiplier of the each element of matrix B. It means 5 multiplied by 2, 10 multiplied by 2, 15 multiplied by 2, minus 10 multiplied by 2, 20 multiplied by 2, minus 10 multiply 2. Now solve this type of matrix in the next step. Two into 5, the value is 10. 4 5 is 20. Now we put in the value 20. 6 5 is 30. Now put the value is 30 in given position. 4 5 is 20. Minus 20. Put down minus 20. 8 5 is 40. Put down 40 in the same position. And 4 5 is 20. Put down the 20 in the same position. Student, the multiplication is complete of the matrix A. Now come in the matrix B. 5 to the 10. Note down 10 in the same position. 10 to the 20. Put down 20 in the same position. 15 to the 30. 13 put down the same position. Student, 10 into 2. 20 minus 20 put down the same position. It is clear, everyone? Yes. And 20 to the 40 put down the same position. And 10 into 2, 20, put down 20 in the same position. The matrix B scalar multiplication is also complete. Now we simplify this two types of matrix. This is the scalar multiplication. Now the subtract of the matrix. These two matrices are subtraction. Now find out the subtraction of the matrix in the next step. Subtraction of the matrix. The order of matrix are equal. Then same order element subtract to the same order element. First row, first column element is 10. The corresponding element is also 10 to 10 minus 10. 10 minus 10. The first row, second column is 20. The next matrix corresponding element is also 20 to 20 minus 20. The first row, third column element is 30. The corresponding element is also 30. Subtract 30 minus 30. Now we come in the second row. The first column minus 20. The corresponding element in the next matrix is also minus 20. So minus bracket minus 20 bracket close. In the second row, second column element is 40 and the corresponding element is also 40. Then 40 minus 40. Now the last element, second row, third column is minus 20 and the corresponding element is also minus 20 to 20 minus 20. Now simplify in the next step of this matrix. Ten minus 10, answer is 0. Put down 0 in the same position. 20 minus 20, answer is 0. Put down 0 in the same position. 30 minus 30 is 0. Put down the same position. 20 minus plus 20 become to 0. Put down 0 in the same position. 40 minus 40 is also become to 0. Put down in the same position. To minus 20 minus plus 20 is also become 0. Put down in the same position. Now the final solution is find out is the null matrix. That is 5 minus 2b is equal to null matrix. It is clear, everyone? Good. Now we come in the next problem. First problem is clear. 5a minus 2b is find out if the value of a and b given. First we put the value of a and b in the given equation, then the scalar multiply of the both the matrix, after then the subtraction of the matrix, then finally find out the result of the matrix. It is clear, everyone? Now the next problem is a and b is given, find out. This is the 3 by 3 order matrix. Now we find out the result of 3a plus 6b. It is clear? Now solve this problem. First we find the solution of this type of question. First we note down the equation, the given, find the value 3a plus 6b. 3a plus 6b equal to 3a. Now put the value of a become to matrix. Now 6b, put the value of matrix B. Simplifies. First B scalar multiplication of a and b by the scalar quantity 3 and 6 in the next step. The matrix A multiplied by 3, then each element is multiplied by 3 of the matrix A. First we multiply first row, start by the first row of value 1 is multiplied by 3, then 0 multiplied by 3, then last value of the first row multiplied by 3. Now we come in the second row, 0 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 3, 1 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 3. Now the matrix B is multiplied by 6, then each element multiplied by 6. Starting from the first row, 3 multiplied by 6, 1 multiplied by 6, again 1 multiplied by 6. Now we come in the second row of the matrix B, also multiplied by the 6, 1 multiplied by 6, 2 multiplied by 6, 3 multiplied by 6. Now we come in the last row. The last row, first element is 0 multiplied by 6. In the third row, second column element is 1 multiplied by 6. In the last element of the third row is 2 multiplied by 6. Then the scalar multiplication of matrix A and B is complete. Now we solve this matrix in the next step. One multiplied by 3, the answer is 3. Note down 3 in the same position. 0 multiplied by 3, then the answer is 0. Multiply in the same position is 0. 2 multiplied by 3, the answer is 6. Write down in the same position is 6. 0 multiplied by 3, answer is 0. Write down in the same position. 2 multiplied by 3, answer is 6. Write down in the same position. 3 multiplied by 3, answer is 9. Write down in the same position. 1 multiplied by 3, result is 3. Write down in the same position. 2 multiplied by 3, result is 6. Write down in the same position. 3 multiplied by 3, result is 9. Write down in the same position. Then first matrix is solved. Now we come in the second matrix. Solve. 3 multiplied by 6, result is 18. Write down in the same position. 1 multiplied by 6, result is 6. Write down in the same position. 1 multiplied by 6 again, the result is 6 again. Write down in the same position, student. Now we come in the second row. In the second matrix, 1 multiplied by 6, the result is 6. Write down in the same position. 2 multiplied by 6, result is 12. Write down in the same position. 3 multiplied by 6, result is 18. Write down in the same position. And 0 multiplied by 6, result is 18. Result is 0. Write down in the same position. 1 multiplied by 6, result is 6. Write down in the same position. 2 multiplied by 6, result is 12. Write down in the same position. Now the second matrix is also solved. Then the scalar multiplication is complete. 2 matrix. Check again. 1 into 3, 3, 0, 6, and 0, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. And the second matrix multiplication also check again. 3 into 18, 6, 6, 6, 12, 18, 0, 6, 12. Now the scalar multiplication is complete. Now add of two given matrices by the addition method. The order of the matrix is same. Then the same corresponding element of both the matrices is add in the next step. The first row, first column element is 3. The corresponding element in the second matrix is 18. So 3 plus 18. 3 plus 18. The first row, second column element 0. The corresponding element in the next matrix is 6. Then add 0 plus 6. The first row, third column element is 6. The corresponding element of the next matrix is also 6. Then 6 plus 6. The second row, first column element is 0. The corresponding element is 6. Now add 0 plus 6. The second row, second column element 6. The corresponding element is 12. Then add 6 plus 12. The second row, third column element is 9. The corresponding element is 18. Now add 9 plus 18. Now the last row, first column element is 3, the corresponding element 0, then add 3 plus 0. The second last element is 6, the corresponding element is 6, also 6, then 6 plus 6. Now the last element of the matrix is 9 and the corresponding element is 12, so 9 plus 12. Addition is complete. Solve in the next step. 3 plus, no check again, 3 plus 18, 0 plus 6, 6 plus 6, 0 plus 6, 6 plus 12, 9 plus 18, 3 plus 0, 6 plus 6, 9 plus 12. Now we solve. 3 plus 18 is become to the 21. Put down in the same position. 0 plus 6 is 6. Write down in the same position. 6 plus 6 is 12. Write down in the same position. 0 plus 6 becomes 6. Write down in the same position. 6 plus 12 18. Write down in the same position. 9 plus 18 27. Write down in the same position. 3 plus 0 equal to 3, write down in the same position. 6 plus 6 is 12, write down in the same position. 9 plus 12 is 21, write down in the same position. Now the final answer is here. 3a plus 6b is equal to is the final answer. So, given in the a and b are given, then find the value of 3a and 6b. First, we put the value a and b in the given equation. After that, the scalar multiplication, and finally the addition of two matrices then become in the final answer. Clear, everyone? Now coming the next question. Now coming the next question. From A, B, C are three matrices are given, then find the A minus 2B plus 3C. It is clear? 3 by 3 order, 3 matrices. Then first we find the scalar multiplication, after that the addition and subtraction method are applied. Now the solution started. A, first we note down the given equation. A minus 2B plus 3C equal to A. Put the value of A in the given matrix. Minus 2b, put down the value of b in the given position. Now 3c, put the value of c in the right down position. Now simplify. First we multiply the scalar multiplication. Matrix is scalar quantity is 1. No value means scalar value is 1. Then 1 is multiply of each element, answer is same. And matrix B is multiply 2, scalar quantity 2. Then each element multiply by 2. Starting from the first row, 4 into 2, 5 into 2. Now the last element of the first row, 6 into 2. Now the second row, start from the second row, multiply the scalar quantity 2, so minus 1 into 2, 0 into 2, and the last value of the second row, 1 into 2. Now we come in the last row of the matrix B, 2 into 2. The second value is third row, 1 into 2. And the last value is third row is 2, 2 into 2. Now we come in the matrix C. Matrix C, the first row, 3 into minus 1 into 3, minus 2, into 3, with 1 into 3. Now the second row, come in the second row, minus 1 into 3, 2 into 3, 3 into 3. Minus 1 into 3, minus 2 into 3, 2 into 3. Now simplify in the next step. So 4 into 2, answer is 8, write down 8 in the same position. 5 into 2, 10, write down in the 10 in the same position. 6 into 2, 12, write down 12 in the same position. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2, write down the same position. 0 into 2, 0, write down the same position. 1 into 2, 2, write down the same position. 2, 2 is 4, write down the same position. 1 into 2, result is 2, write down the same position. 2 into 2, 4, write down in the same position. Matrix B scalar multiplication is complete. Now we come in the matrix C scalar multiplication. 1 into 3, 3, write down 3 in the same position. 1 into 3, 3, write down in the same position. 1 into 3, 3, write down in the same position. 2 into 3, 6, write down in the same position. 2 into 3, 6, write down in the same position. 2 into 3, write down in the same position. 1 into 3, write down in the same position. 3, 3 is 9, write down in the same position. 2 into 3, write down in the same position. Now we scalar multiplication complete. Now with the addition and subtraction, start from the next row. First, we subtract off A and B. So 1 minus 8. The two corresponding element is 10, so 2 minus 10. 3 corresponding element 12, 3 minus 12. Now second row, minus 1 corresponding element is minus minus plus 2 plus 2. The 0 is the corresponding element is 0. So 0 minus 0. And the 2 is the corresponding element is 2. So 2 minus 2. 1 is the corresponding element, 4 minus 4. Minus 3 is corresponding element is minus 2. Minus 1 is corresponding element is minus 4. So again check, 1 minus 8, 2 minus 10, 3 minus 12, minus 1 plus 2, 0 minus 0, 2 minus 2, 1 minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, minus 4. Now we add in the last matrix, in the matrix. So 1 minus 8, first we solve this value. 1 minus 8 is equal to minus 7. Minus 2 minus 10 minus 8. 3 minus 12 minus 9. Minus 1 plus 2 plus 1. 0 minus 0, 0. Minus 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 4 minus 3. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. Now we add these two matrices by the addition method. Now 7 minus 7 corresponding element minus 3, 7 minus 3. Minus 8 corresponding element minus 6, 8 minus 8 minus 6. Minus 9 corresponding element 3, minus 9 plus 3. 1 corresponding element minus 3, 1 minus 3. 0 corresponding element is 6, 0 plus 6. 0 corresponding element, again 0 corresponding element is 9, then 0 plus 9. Now we'll come in the last row, minus 3 corresponding element is minus 3, so minus 3 minus 3. Minus 5 corresponding element minus 6, so minus 5 minus 6. Minus 5 corresponding element is 6, so minus 5 plus 6. Now we add in the last, in the next row. Minus 7 minus 3, answer is answer is 10, minus 10, minus 10, minus 8 minus 6, answer will become minus 14. Write down in the same position. Minus 9 plus 3 minus 6, write down in the same position minus 6. 1 minus 3 minus 2, write down the same position minus 2. 0 plus 6, 6, write down the same position of 0 plus 9, write down 9 in the same position. Minus 3 minus 3 minus 6, write down in the same position. Minus 5 minus 6 minus 11, write down in the same position. Minus 5 minus plus 6, answer become 1, write down the same position 1. Now this is the final matrix. This is the final answer. The student will see that there are three types of matrix A, B, C are given. Then find the value of A minus 2B plus 3C. First we multiply the scalar quantity of matrix B and C by the scalar quantity 2 and 3. After then we subtract matrix A and B by the subtraction method. Then the final we add B, the result of A minus 2B by the C. Then the final result is this. Clear everyone? Okay.